In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Dasher Direct virtual card to your Apple Wallet. So what we want to do is just first go and load our Apple Wallet, and once we have the wallet open, we will click on the plus sign found in the top right corner. From here we need to select debit or credit card, and if it asks you for a bank here, we'll just search for DoorDash and see if anything pops up. Here it should pop up for you. Just choose it. The process is the same. I'll just choose this bank as an example here, and then we want to click on continue, and we can either scan the virtual card for DoorDash, or we can enter the card details manually. We'll need to input the name on our DoorDash virtual card as well as the card number. After we have input both of these fields here, then you can click on next, and this is going to add your DoorDash Dasher Direct card to Apple Wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.